Hi, I'm Gia, and I'm a yarn nut, yarn hoarder, yarn squirreler. I love yarn, and I know you guys do too. It's so fun. I wanted to show you what was new at Yarn Nuts. I've been away from the video for a while. I apologize. Just took on way too many projects, and I had to figure it out. So now I'm going to be back hopefully on a regular basis, and I want to thank everyone for watching. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for your support of the YouTube channel and of the store. You guys are awesome. Hello to Granny D, Madonna, Mama Swift, Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, Pamela's Adoring Crochet, Creative Grandma, Swift and safe recovery. And I really hope that you get well very soon. Thank you so much for supporting the store. And there's going to be lots of new projects coming up. I'm going to be doing a yarn story series, and it's going to be stories about different types of yarn. The first yarn is going to be Puzzle Baby by Ice Yarns, and then we're going to have Natural Baby by Ice Yarns, and I'm going to be doing so many others. And I'd just like to let you know that I've been getting a lot of comments about how there's a lot of things out of stock on Yarn Nut. So I wanted to explain to you how I'm working this store. Ice Yarns carries over 5,000 yarns. So it's impossible for me to stock all those yarns. I'm a very small business. I'm starting, a little bit at a time from the ground up. And so what I've tried to do is stock what I think you guys are going to want to buy. Problem is I don't always know what that is. So what I did is I put all of Ice Yarns on my website, and then whatever I don't have in stock, if you place an order for it, I will order it for you, and I'll get it in and you can have it. Now it will take a little bit longer, of course, but I do stock orders 1 to 2 times a week. And I've been getting my stock orders in 3 to 4 days for the most part, which means I can have your yarn shipped out within a week in some cases. Doesn't always happen that fast. The average is about a week for me to get the yarn in, and then a day to turn it around, and then, a few days for it to get to you. So what I like to say is on the website, it says order now for 2 to 3 week delivery. I put 3 weeks on the outside just because on a rare occasion it can take longer than a week for my stock orders to come in. But for the most part, I do get them within a week. So that means anything I don't have in stock, I can order for you and you can have it within 2 weeks. Now, hopefully that'll work for most of you. And I really appreciate your help in letting me know what you like to see in the store so I can buy the yarns that you guys are actually going to want and not guesses where I'm leaving it sitting on the shelf and then I have to do something with it. So just so you have an idea of it, it works a little bit differently than some of the other yarn stores, just because I can't stock everything that they stock. But I do have Ice Yarns jeans in stock. I do have Puzzle Baby in stock. I just ordered a big load of Saver yarn because everybody's been asking me about Saver. So I will have many of the Saver colors in stock within the next couple weeks. And if I don't have enough, please let me know and I will order more. As I said, I have to order a couple times a week to build my inventory. So I don't have enough of something, just let me know and I will order more for you. So what else do I have in stock? I'm getting Softly Baby is amazing yarn. I'm getting that in stock. I do have a lot of cottons in stock, pure cotton and whites. I think I'm going to be doing some samplers so you can sample the different types of yarn from Ice. I'm going to be bringing back the mystery bags. Those were very popular and I ran out of yarn for that. So I'm going to be bringing back the mini cake sampler baskets. I got some more yarns for that. So I do have a lot of things in the fire. So there's going to be a lot of new things coming up. I'm also working with a lot of content creators to provide yarn kits for some of their projects. For example, Pamela's Adoring Crochet did this great bag made out of Lorena worsted, a little checkerboard pattern. So I'm going to be putting a kit together for that. And I'm putting a link to Pamela's YouTube video with that bag tutorial in the product description. So you can go right from the product to Pamela's YouTube channel to get the pattern for the bag, and you can order the yarn to make the bag from Yarn Nut. So if this sounds like something you'd like to do, try it out. Let me know. I'm also going to be working with Jada and Stitches, and she gave me permission to do some kits for some of her projects, and I would love to do it for any other creators that would like me to do it. It's just a fun way to put a kit together to make it easy for people to make your project, and it also promotes your video on my website. I don't do anything with the patterns, no tutorials. I strictly sell the yarn kit, and I send the customers to your YouTube channel to get the pattern and the tutorial. So if you're interested, you can contact me at yarn@yarnnut.com, and I'd be happy to talk to you about it. My goal is just to share yarns with everyone. I'm really, really enjoying this new venture that I embarked on, and it's just been an amazing dream for me. I get to crochet. I've done a lot more crocheting this year, and I'll be showing you all those projects that I've been doing. So hopefully it'll be something that you're interested in. So you can email me at yarn@yarnnut.com and let me know what yarns you'd like to see on the site. Let me know if you'd like me to feature any of your products. If you make a project with an ice yarn or any of the other yarns I carry, if you want to send me a couple photos of it, I'd love to post them on the product page on the website, giving you full credit, of course. I love to also link to your YouTube videos showing how you use the yarn. So if you've used any ice yarns that you'd like me to highlight that project for you, just send me an email and I'd love to do that. So I wanted to show you a new product I just put out on YarnNut. It's Easy Crochet Lovey Yarn Kits, and it's cheating loveys. I call it my lovey cheaters because I don't do amigurumi. So the next best thing is to buy a really pretty stuffed animal and make a blanket for it, and so that's what I did. So available on YarnNut now, I have 5 lovey kits, and let me show them to you because they're so great. First one is a dolphin, which I thought was so fun for summer. A really pretty turquoise color, and the blanket is made out of puffy pom-pom. Takes 1 skein. The blanket's about 20 inches by 20 inches, and the trim is puffy pom-pom and turquoise. It takes about 32 yards. This is an easy pattern, so with the kit you'll get the stuffed animal, 1 skein of yarn for the blanket, you'll get the yarn for the trim, 32 yards, and then you'll get the elastic hairband, and you'll get the written pattern. So you get everything you need except for the crochet hook. So the blanket comes out to be about 20 inches by 20 inches, as I said, and it's all double crochets. It's basically a double crochet granny square pattern. So I just think it's really great with this blanket yarn. This yarn is so soft and squishy. It's adorable, and it matches the dolphin perfectly. So this is what the dolphin looks like without the blanket. So he's really cute. And we have Giraffe. He's one of my favorites. He's so pretty. This is an 18-inch giraffe, so it's not small at all. This blanket is made out of baby safari chenille by Ice Yarns, and it's really super soft blanket yarn, and I just love it. The trim is panda and cream, and the kit will include, like I said, everything you need to make this lovey. And I'll show you what he looks like without the blanket on. There you go. Super cute. Here's my long arm monkey. Adorable. These animals are very high quality and super soft and squishy, so I think you're really going to like them. This is also made with baby chenille, baby safari chenille in orange shades green, I think. He has really long arms and has Velcro on the hands and feet, so you can hang him. And he's really cute for people that love monkeys. Puppy. Very nice. Super soft. Blanket is made out of puffy pom-pom in red. Now on the site you'll see that this blanket has trim on it. I did have to take it off to measure, but it's going to have trim with Yarn Art mink in the color that matches the dog. So it really offsets the blanket really well. This red is a great color. I love it. Now this dog is really cute. They're all cute. I keep saying that, sorry. This dog is special because not only is he soft and cuddly, but he makes a noise when he squeezes his leg. I can see that can be a little annoying, but fun anyway. This teddy bear is 13 inches, and again, I found a blanket yarn puffy pom-pom that matches the light yellow tan of the bear exactly. I have it available on the website with light blue trim or pink trim, and there's only a couple available right now. I'm waiting for more of this yarn to come in, and it should be in a couple days. As soon as it gets here, there'll be more available on the site. And this bear, again, is soft and cuddly. Really cute. And one lovey I have to still put on. I still have to make the blanket for him, but my gray koala bear, he's a little bit smaller than the other animals, but super, super cute. And I found some gray puffy pom-pom that matches him, and I'm going to do a blanket with the gray puffy pom-pom with the white panda trim. So I think that'll be really pretty. I wanted to show you all the puffy pom-pom. I just love it. Look at these colors. They're great. Red, turquoise, mint green, the gray. Then you have white with turquoise, cream, the celery green, and a bright yellow. So that is going to be really nice. So I'm going to have blankets available in all these colors eventually. I just had to start somewhere. I'm also going to make a blanket. I saw these 3 colors. Now, there's another turquoise color that has the colored spots in it like this one. So I'm getting that in this week as well. So I'm going to make a blanket with these 3 colors, but the turquoise with the spots that match this. So I think that's going to be fun. So keep on the lookout for that project. I'm looking forward to Christmas and July fairies. And I'm also going to be having a 1,500 subscriber giveaway because I missed the 1,000 subscriber mark that came around Christmas. So I wasn't able to do anything, but I do want to do a giveaway for my 1,500 subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing, and it's going to be a good one. Have a great day or evening, wherever you may be in the world, and may there be very little frogging for you this week. Bye.